Carcoon Storage first introduced the innovative concept of airflow storage way back in 1993, and in doing so made classic and supercar ownership much easier and far more rewarding. Classic and Sports Car magazine said Carcoon was the product of the year. The Autosport Racing Car Show awarded Carcoon Best Product, and even the British Design Council gave Carcoon an award. Carcoon's program of continual development led to the introduction of the patented outdoor Carcoon, with its double-skin construction and extra insulation needed to cope with the often hostile outdoor environment. Further development led to the introduction of the unique Evolution Carcoon, with its patented active airflow function. Active airflow is now standard in all Carcoon variants, including jet cell avionic storage, and now the all-new Veloce Carcoon. Active airflow provides isolation from constantly changing temperature and humidity of the ambient environment. The new Veloce Carcoon is designed to allow simple drive-in, drive-out access, with the additional advantage of side access, making detailing, polishing or light maintenance a real pleasure. Initial setup is easy, and they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. So actually seeing the job done here for the first time can dispel any uncertainties and help make things even easier. Just spend a few moments watching this setup demonstration. We believe it'll save you time and effort during assembly. Choose a suitable position for your new Veloce Carcoon, making sure that the access point into the Carcoon faces the garage door and that there are no obstacles in the way. Unfold the Carcoon and place the box containing the steel poles inside the cover, and then close the cover and inflate as shown. This unique power supply both supplies sophisticated battery management for the vehicle's own battery and also supplies 12-volt DC to power the active airflow ventilators. An added benefit of the power and charger is fully automatic battery backup for the airflow system. In the event of any temporary mains power failure, the airflow system will automatically continue to run, ensuring uninterrupted all-round protection for the stored vehicle even if the main supply remains out for days. Cable access for the battery management is made through the access provided, located close to the fan filter unit. Once fully inflated, open the rear access and step inside, smartly closing the access point without any undue delay. Begin at the rear and along the base of the Carcoon as shown. Noting that all horizontal poles lock together using this spring clip arrangement. Complete the assembly along each side. Complete one side as shown, and repeat along the other side. Only then fit the front cross section. Note that the larger round female fasteners, the black screw connectors, face the outer material, and the cross-section male connector faces the inside. Don't over-tighten these connectors. Finger tight is perfectly adequate. Fit the rear straight cross support in the roof panel before attempting to finally fit the curved end supports. Ensure that the final top curved supports are fitted correctly. And are then locked together. Even when a vehicle appears to be perfectly clean and dry, opening the drying vent for just a few minutes after initial setup is important, and it offers real benefits. Remember that passive airflow creates initial stability and is achieved with a fully open drying vent, whereas protective active airflow is only achieved when the drying vent is fully closed. Remember the obvious dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning. Never run the vehicle's engine inside the Carcoon, and never run the engine inside a poorly ventilated building. Carbon monoxide gas from the exhaust of a running vehicle is a killer. And please keep children safe and well away from moving vehicles at all times. To keep your new Veloce Carcoon clean and in good condition, use only warm soapy water. Simply wipe occasionally with a clean damp cloth. Take a close look at the exhaust on this 911. And see how water vapor flows from the exhaust system and soon begins to condense on the clear cover. Just watch how the open drying vent quickly expels this potentially damaging moisture. Simply opening the drying vent for just a few minutes, creating a passive airflow across the vehicle, has a real stabilizing effect, ridding the vehicle and the storage environment of any unnecessary pollutants such as moisture, hot oil and fuel vapor, brake dust contamination and so on. All these everyday pollutants produced by a running vehicle need to be vented out of the storage environment before proper protective active storage can begin. And this is achieved simply by opening the drying vent for a few minutes. The Carcoon drying vent is designed to help dry out a wet vehicle and uses the retained heat of the newly stored vehicle in conjunction with a passive airflow throughout the chamber to blow dry both vehicle and storage environment, in effect establishing a dry vehicle in a dry environment.